Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my last walking here in Paris. So I will show you around the place where we walk. So it is another place because Paris is big. So you can see many things here as we walk. Before we live in Paris. So this is my last walking. This is the place. So maganda siya tingnan ang lugar na ito. So we go like para siyang ano siya, buntod ba? Hindi siya plain. So kung sa Bisaya pa, patungas. So go with me in walking so that you can see the part of Paris. It's not the same place where we walk, because I have a lot of videos there in Paris. I also walk, but it's a different area, different street, place, Paris, because there's a lot of name. So join me in walking so that you can see the place, and you can see a lot of nice place in Paris. So you can also find a hotel here in Paris while we walk. So mo nila mga building. So grabe gayud kay gi-occupy gud nila ang place. So patungas. And be sure that you wear shoes, because here, if you are in Paris, you do a lot of walking, unless if you like taxi. But if you do taxi, you cannot see more. You just only go specific place. So if you walk, you can see all the places, and then you can think that is Paris. So I've been there. So at least, even though you come here or not, at least you can see the place. So this is the area. It's not the same, other area. So imagine, look at the building. Even a small place, they occupy. They make a building. Oh, a lot of people, I think, live here because, of course, the job is more here in the center. But if you like to live in the countryside, so it's more nicer, I think, in the countryside, because it is big with garden. Because here, I think it's different, because it's like a apartment. It continues there. I don't know how they live like this, but so far this is Paris. So as you know, Paris is very well known, and this is the restaurant outside. That's why they put something like here, because they can put the table and chair. So they occupy the place in the road area, so that at night, like 5 p.m., 6 p.m. like this one, then they put a table, a chair, and then you can eat there or do a coffee. So as you can see, it is like here in Paris. They put a place, something outside in front of the store, and there you can sit and eat. So it is highway, So ours is not like that, but here, because I think of this space, they have not so much space, so they occupy that area. Instead, that is a parking area. So this one, at the 5 p.m. or 6, then they put a table and chair, and you can eat also here. Because they have only a small place inside. So if a lot of people, they could not occupy inside, so they have to put something outside if it is a restaurant. So chair, they put a table, and this one also. And then they get also, if it is daytime, they get the chair, they get the table, they just only put it there in it's dinner or whatsoever. So it is like here in Paris. I never know that before, that it is like that, because when I was here before, it was December, and I don't walk so much. But this time, as I came here again in Paris, we walk a lot. So I saw the place more, and like this one, they have a big space, so they put a lot of table, and this is a nice, because it is a restaurant there, so they have a big place. But the other small, so it is like that. So they have a clean also street. Look also this one. So we walk, and as you can see this building, diba? Kamay kay siya nga area, they put a building, ha? Imagine ha? Kamay kay na siya, tiny, pero giput nila og building, small eye. Oh, look good. I don't know how many square meters that. So, inani sila kakuan. Sa bagay kay unique. Kay even the small area in the city, they build the buildings so that people can live there. Downstairs, it is a business area, and they put something there like where you can sit, because it is a store. If you drink, you can sit outside if you like outside. So mauni siya ang Paris. So if you are adventurous, if you want to explore, if you want to see more on Paris, you can watch all my video there in Paris Travel 2021, from the Eiffel Tower, from other etc. So there are so many there. You can watch if you are interested. Because me, I like to explore. If I have time, I want to see a lot of things in the city, like here in Paris. So that dili pod masayang imong pag-anhi diring dapita, makita pod nimo ang mga lugar. Bisan tuod nga wala gayud nako nakita tanan, because I was not able good to see all around Paris, because it's big, and I think it needs good siya og time, many days, I think, because when you travel, you only specific in the area where you want to go. Because I never expect that we walk so much here in Paris. So this is also, you can see. So imagine that building, a very small, tiny building. That one.
I love this building. It's nice. Wait, it's only like that. Can we sit a little bit? Maybe there. the building, how big. Very grabe. What is that? My love, what is that, my love, this one? Meaning you ride that one. I love. Meaning you ride that one, then you pag into there. Grabe ba? Even small place, you can really. We are elevated na, no? We are elevated. I think we are near in the parking area. Ah, no, it's not this one. Very nice building, man.
And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you like to watch more on Paris, you can watch also my tour bus there. It's a very nice. It's other also direction. It's different also in walking, so you can watch there. And also my travel in other country, in Luxembourg, in Belgium, Germany, Hamburg, in Berlin. You can also watch there. And the others also in Poland. You can also watch there. And maybe also we can travel also to other country. I also put it here if it is God's will, and because my channel is not only traveling, it's also Word of God and others. So you can watch also the Word of God there, that I share prayer, etc. So that is my channel. So many I put it in my channel. Not only traveling. If I do traveling, I also share it here. Also here, also in Netherlands, I was not able yet to put in Amsterdam. I have a lot only of pictures in Amsterdam, but not a video so much. I try to make a video in Amsterdam if I'm not busy. So I will do it. And because Amsterdam is nice, so you can differentiate in each country, because this is Paris, France. So this is the building where you can see. And also in Amsterdam, it's also different. I also share there some of the city, like Rotterdam. It's a new building. But in Amsterdam, it's an old building. So it's very nice also there, unique. So maybe one of this day I can also share it to you if you like to explore, if you're adventurous, if you're curious to see like countries like Paris, like other or Germany, or any if you want, you can look some of my videos there, like Luxembourg, you can watch there also. So
this building is under renovation.
siya ang Paris. So, I never expect na makaani ko diri for the second time. So, it is by the grace of God. So, and I can also share it to you, the place. The other place. Who knows, you can come here and you have now ideas. There is also hotel here. And thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. And God bless you, everyone. See you in my next video.